Namaste Yogis. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm back with a new subject which is called how to activate the root channel or Muladhara Chakra. So as you know, Muladhara Chakra is responsible for giving the strength, the working to other majorly 6 channels, and as you know, for awakening Kundalini without working of Mooladhara or without activating the root channel, we cannot work on Kundalini energy. So please watch the video fully. It is going to be very much transformative. It is going to be very much intuitive. So please watch the video fully. You will get a lot of answers, a lot of information in this video. So let's start my video, and the topic is Muladhara Chakra, the root channel. So why the root? As per the name, the root where everything is situated. This is the platform, and if you know, if the platform is not solid, nothing will work. Same as the building, you have to make the foundation strong. Now the question comes, how to activate Muladhara Chakra? It's very easy, and on the other side, this is the most difficult practice to activate your root channel. And as I mentioned, this is the easiest practice as well. You can activate it very easily. But how to activate? How will it open? How will it work? With your dedication, with your sincerity, with your self-awareness. If you are thinking that you can activate Muladhara Chakra, your mind is somewhere and you are busy in other tasks and you are forcing yourself, it will never happen. To activate any chakra, especially Muladhara Chakra, you need to be self-centered. You need to make a proper schedule. You need to be on that schedule. You need to follow a specific diet, because everything has a role. In the spiritual world, we all work in a specific manner, to be particular. I will not waste time on those things. As per the topic, how to activate Muladhara Chakra. So how to activate this posture, Vajrasana, in which we are kneeling and we sit over the heels, we keep the back straight, we extend the shoulders, we expand the chest region, and we become straight. This is the best posture to activate Muladhara Chakra. The Kundalini, people are all just flowing with the topic of Kundalini, but they don't go in real values, they don't go in real fact how Kundalini works. So this is very important for me to bring this topic. Why to sit in this posture? Why to activate Muladhara? And Kundalini will come afterwards. Kundalini is not a magic that it can just generate. And basically, there are so many harms to make you aware. If you are practicing Kundalini without a proper guidance, under a guru or under an experienced teacher, means you are not doing a good task. To awaken Kundalini, there is a proper sequence. There is a specific practice. Afterwards, Kundalini releases. There is a force that you need to make yourself to have that force, because this force is a lot. We cannot bear that force. So imagine, like a child, we ask them directly to run. It's not possible. There is a process, there is a timing when they will start to walk, they will start to run. So that's why there is a proper platform to practice Kundalini Yoga. So as I mentioned, to awaken Muladhara, we need to go in on the basis. So first the posture. Your posture matters. Each and every single posture, it has a meaning. And especially Vajrasana, this is for Muladhara Chakra. you sit in this posture, you start to practice this posture and put in comments, is it working or not? Because this posture has direct work on our sacrum area, on the lower back, on the tailbone. All that area is contracted. Now we show you second practice, which is called a mudra, Ashwini mudra. In this mudra, we contract this region. Ashwini, I will also go in details about the words so you don't have no confusion. Ashwini. So it came from the word of Ashwa. It's a Sanskrit word. Ashw means a horse. The horse. You can see how the horse is particular about his eating, about digesting, about his breathing. He contracts. He contracts a lot. So this mudra is from the name of Ashwa. Ashwini. So Ashw means horse, Vini means we are working on something like a contraction. So what we do, you can practice Ashwini mudra in this same. Even though if it is possible, we open the knees apart, we join the big toes together, and now we sit over the feet. So what it will do, it will make more contraction exactly on the root chakra. You have to sit in this posture at least for 2 to 5 minutes. So first I mentioned the posture, secondly mudra, Ashwini mudra, and now you're breathing. What you have to do in this breath work, when you take a deep breath, you fill the air to your lungs. When you exhale, you will see your lower abdomen. It will be extended. Now your center of the belly, of the abdomen, it will be loose. And then you will contract the first chakra, the root chakra. And it will work until you hold the breath. Secondly, when you inhale, you will feel the expansion of your belly. Then again you exhale. Then you contract. You contract the anus region. As per Swami Ramdev, as per Yoga with Adrian, Yoga with Kassandra, they all are concerned about proper posture. Your posture matters, your breath work matters. Now you can see everything is in a particular way. It does not matter that you are practicing hundreds of postures and you are expecting that you can awaken root chakra. There are specifically those particular asanas, particular breathing and particular mudras. So we need to be careful. Hope this video was useful for you. If you have questions, if you have any queries, feel free to ask, put in the comments. And main thing, you need to sit. As long you will sit in this posture, you will hold this mudra. Not only Muladhara Chakra, your legs will be strong. So thank you for watching. Please share the video, and looking for the help. It will be a great motivation for me. Thank you for watching. Namaste.